Hi there, this is a demonstration video of the Paybox timer machine. We want to demonstrate that it is able to accept 4 payment options. The first one being credit card and through your mobile app. And you can see that you can enter your credit card number and pay for electricity. You can sell prepaid codes to your tenants or your customers at a hotel or motel or student rental. It accepts both American quarters and Canadian loonies and toonies, along with metal tokens. Our machine can take all these options at the same time. So if you were to pay with a American quarter, you can also add a payment with a prepaid gift card, a credit card, all in the same transaction. So you can buy 20 minutes of coin, 20 minutes of a prepaid code gift card, and 20 minutes of a credit card. So you'll have 60 minutes. The application can be downloaded from here, Android at limitedresources.us, and for the iPhone, it's iPhone at limitedresources.us. And once you've done so, you'll be able to charge any amount to the Paybox. The Paybox itself does not need Wi-Fi or internet access. You simply connect your mobile phone via Bluetooth to the Paybox timer. It connects, and then once the money is transferred over to the box, the application disconnects, ready to be used by the next customer. This is a limited resources demonstration video of payboxtimer.com. You can reach us at 647-931-1829.